You can use Google Classroom on your computer, your tablet, or your mobile. On your computer, you first need to log in to your student email. Then, in the app launcher, go to the very bottom and you will find the Classroom icon. If you want to use Classroom on a phone or a mobile, you can download the app for free. When you click on the Classroom icon, it will take you to your classroom. Click on the name of the classroom to enter the classroom. When you enter, you are on the Stream page. On the left, you can see 3 lines. If you click on these 3 lines, you will open a different menu. In this menu, you can open the calendar. On the calendar, you will find all the tasks in your Google Classroom. You can also find the Settings menu. This is where you can add a profile picture and set any notifications you want to receive. The Stream page is for teachers and students. You will find all the tasks that I post on this page and look out for any messages that I post. You can also share things on this page by clicking on the link. You can ask a question or begin a discussion, just like we did on the wiki, or you can upload files, things from Google Drive, videos, or links. Remember, this is a space for schoolwork only and things related to learning English. Don't forget the rules for being a good digital citizen. You can find the video about being a good digital citizen on the Stream page in your classroom. On the classwork page, you will find a list of all your tasks. At the moment, there aren't any here. From the classwork page, you can also go to the calendar and you can go to the Google Drive folder associated with this classroom. At the moment, there are no folders here, but in the future, here is where you will find work related to the classroom. If you click on the folder on the left-hand side, it will open a new page. Here you can find a list of work that has been assigned, has been returned with a mark, and you haven't handed in. If you click on the title of the task, you can open the activity. And if you click on See Details, you can answer the question. This activity is a question, and the only thing you need to do is write your answer. When you begin writing your answer, the Send button will go blue and you can send your answer. The third page is the People page, and this is where you will find the name of the teacher or teachers in your class and below a list of all your classmates. When you start to use Classroom, you'll see how easy it is to use. So now it's time to log in, play around, and get used to using Google Classroom.